watch out. Who caught most of them?
What would you fish with out here if you were just stranded?
I just gotta make it look like I caught the
worms. Just dig up some worms.
We think cut his head right off.
If that is a photo opportunity, I don't know what it is.
Why don't you put him in a line or something?
Nice.
In the air, that's what I was practicing. See that little wall.
Pontoon. Last week. I'm trying something washing on myself. Jumping around.
So you get your plates and bowls ready. Flame's fucking hot.
John, can you grab John's bowl?
What do you want? Is that all of them, Mickey? Nope, I got green one over there. A few more to do here, but I figure I would just give it a round. You got the spatula for me on this one? Huh? You got the spatula on this? Yeah, what do you want me to do? Get them in there ready to go. Oh.